For the latest in our Make Money Online 2022 series, today we're going to have a look at another piece of free cashback that we can get on the TopCashback website. So if you haven't already signed up, make sure you look at our other video on the benefits of signing up and earning up to £1,000 a year. But today, again, if we go across to the right hand side and go on to more, and then go across to the free cashback section, you will notice that at the top there is currently a featured offer for a website called 20 Cogs, which is a survey and online task website. Now the great thing about this cashback is you get £1.20 cashback simply for signing up, but you can earn hundreds of extra pounds by completing online tasks and offers directly on the 20 Cogs website. So as you can see here, a new confirmed registration will get us £1.20, and this one is even easier to sign up to than the Experian one we looked at yesterday. The only thing that's going to stop you getting cashback is using a promotional or voucher code not approved by TopCashback, but as we are signing up for free, we will not need a promotional code anyway, and as you can see from the tracking stats, based on over 100,000 transactions, there's 99.96% satisfaction. So as always, if you click on the pink Get Cashback Now button, that will take you directly to the 20 Cogs website. Again, we can see this will only take 1 day to track on average to appear in your top cashback site. And today, as an exclusive offer, if you join, in addition to the £1.20 cashback you get from Top Cashback, you'll also get a £5 welcome bonus from 20 Cogs. So as soon as you land on the website, you can see that there's some good ratings there on Trustpilot from thousands of reviews. And all you have to do is click on the sign up button, which will take you to an extremely short form. You just have to put in your first name, last name, email address, choose a password, click join for free. You'll get sent an email to activate your account. Click on that email and you will all be signed up. Once we go back to there, the page confirming that we have gone to the website hasn't loaded properly, but it has still tracked, don't worry. Once you've confirmed it in the email, new confirmed registration, you'll see £1.20 land in your Top Cashback account for no additional spend. It's only going to take a minute to fill out that form, and in addition to that, you get another £5 on top directly from 20 Cogs, as well as the opportunity to keep on earning hundreds of pounds with 20 Cogs. So make sure you do sign up to that featured offer today on 20 Cogs. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more money saving ideas.